What you are about to watch is a tribute to one of the most remarkable human beings who ever lived. Jane Goodall dedicated her entire life to protecting animals and our planet. Her story is inspiring and emotional, and you need to hear every part of it. Stay with us until the very end because her legacy and final message will move you deeply. Jane Goodall changed the world in ways that most people can only dream of. She started as a young woman with a passion for animals and ended up becoming one of the most influential scientists and conservationists in history. Her journey took her from England to the forests of Africa and eventually to every corner of the globe, spreading her message of hope and protection. From her earliest days, Jane showed a special connection with animals. She was curious about the natural world in a way that went beyond normal childhood interests. While other children played games, she was observing creatures and wondering about their lives. This early fascination would shape everything that came later. When Jane got the opportunity to study chimpanzees in Africa, it was a dream come true. She traveled to what is now Tanzania and began observing these incredible animals in their natural habitat. What she discovered would revolutionize our understanding of primates and challenge everything scientists thought they knew. One of Jane's most groundbreaking discoveries was that chimpanzees use tools. Before her research, scientists believed that only humans had this ability. When Jane observed chimps using sticks to extract termites from mounds, it changed the scientific conversation forever. This single observation helped redefine what it means to be human. But Jane's contributions went far beyond scientific discoveries. She gave the chimpanzees she studied names instead of numbers, which was considered unusual at the time. She recognized them as individuals with unique personalities and emotions. This approach was initially criticized but has since become standard practice in animal research. The relationships Jane formed with the chimpanzees were extraordinary. She spent decades observing families across generations. She witnessed births, deaths, conflicts, and reconciliations. Through her patient and respectful approach, she gained insights that no one before her had achieved. As Jane's work gained recognition, she became an advocate for conservation on a global scale. She realized that studying animals was not enough. She needed to fight for their survival. The threats facing chimpanzees and their habitats were growing, and Jane dedicated herself to addressing these challenges. Jane founded organizations dedicated to wildlife conservation and environmental education. She believed that young people held the key to saving the planet. Her youth programs have inspired millions of children around the world to take action for nature. She planted seeds of hope in countless young hearts. The message Jane spread throughout her later years was one of hope tempered with urgency. She acknowledged the serious problems facing our planet but refused to give in to despair. She believed that human beings have the intelligence and compassion to solve the crises we have created. This optimism inspired many who might otherwise have felt hopeless. Jane traveled constantly, speaking to audiences everywhere about the importance of conservation. She visited schools, universities, corporations, and government bodies. Her message remained consistent. Every individual matters and every action counts. No one is too small to make a difference. The awards and honors Jane received throughout her career are too numerous to list. She was recognized by governments, institutions, and organizations around the world. But those who knew her said she cared more about the work than the accolades. The recognition was simply a platform to spread her message further. If this tribute to Jane Goodall moved you, please hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel for more inspiring content. Leave a comment sharing what Jane meant to you or what you will do to continue her legacy. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.